Hi everybody, this is Ben Colby, Teen Librarian from Enoch Pratt with the Level 2 video for our April Fool's game, which is called the Red Wall. It's designed to trick people. So I have to get this third coin, but I can't. The secret is that I have to go around and take the secret passage. So that's just a game over, you win. We're going to add another stage to this game now in Level 2. So first of all, let's just take that game over win and move it and think about what we would do here instead. Um, I'll just delete that game over for now. I want to create a function to control this. And this function is called start level 2. And then I just end up calling start level 2 here. And then I think I'm going to have 3 more coins in level 2, and if you get to the 6th coin, you win again. So I'm going to put one more if loop, or you know what, let me just copy and paste this one, duplicate it. If the coins collected equals 6, then we can go ahead and do that game over, which is under game. Game over win. So what do we do in level 2? Well, what I want to do is create a tile map to start. How's this tile map going to be different? Let's keep it kind of simple. I want to put some lava in, and I'm going to make the brush larger so I can actually put kind of do this quickly. So I'll start up in the corner, I'll go down the side, and then we'll go back up this side. There'll be a little gap right here, but if you try to go through the gap, you definitely will die. And I will explain what I mean by that. But I'm taking the other lava brick now, and the secret in this level, I think, is that there's a kind of lava that doesn't kill you. So we have this one, and I'm going to put 2 rows in here. So if you walk over this spot, you will not die, but you will die if you walk over anything else. So let's just fill up the rest with something. Doesn't matter too much. How about rocks? So if I just say fill with rocks, that's kind of weird, but I like it. And I want to do spawning a little differently here for this level. Let's just take I'm going into dungeon and I'm looking for some steps. So I'm just going to put one steps thing on there. And I'm also, I'm also going to put some roads across the lava. This is the spot where you're going to blow up if you try to go across that way. This is the real way to go across. The other thing I'm going to do at this stage is figure out exactly where these locations are, where I want to put my 3 coins. So I think if I want to go in the bottom left, you can see the numbers at the bottom left. That's 213. If I want to put the second coin right here, that'll be 75. And if I want to put the third coin down in the corner, that will be 1413. Great. And I don't think I need any walls necessarily. Let's try it without walls. Okay, so we set the tile map. We are going to go into scene. The next thing we do is we place the sprite. Oh, instead of placing it at a position, this time we can place it on a tile. Place sprite on top of random steps. Well, there's only one steps tile, so it'll be that one. Place player sprite on top of the steps. And then let's go ahead and create our coins. So once again, we're going to set coin. I could just copy the other one. Set coin to whatever of kind coin. We are going to animate that coin. In fact, let me just copy the other one. So I'm animating this coin, and I'm going to duplicate this placement thing. So coin number 1 is going at position 213 because I wrote this down and I know where it goes. And then I'm going to do all 3 coins this way. And the first 2 bricks are, or the first 2 blocks are the same of this. We create the coin and we animate it. The only difference is the location, and this one is going at 7.5. And then the final coin goes at 14.13. So let's test this real quick and see how that looks. I'm still in level 1, so let's finish level 1 real quick. The timer is going to have to reset also, but this is great. This looks really nice, and I can pick up the coins. The lava isn't killing me yet because I haven't set that up, but there's the final coin, and game over if I get to the last one. You win. So that's pretty much what I wanted. That looks great. So I do want to reset the timer also, which is under info, start countdown, back at 30 seconds. And let's also give some instructions here. So this is under game dialogues. Let's do long text at the bottom also, after we change this stuff. Actually, let's put it at the end so that when we have the text, we can kind of see everything in the background. All right, so show long text, and this is going to say just 3 more coins to win. Great. And now all I need to do is set up the death conditions in the second one. I think that might be it. So if I go to the overlap, so on sprite of kind player overlaps with, no, it's not. It's the overlap with the scene. So if I go to scene and it's kind of sprite player overlaps tile at location. That's it. So if the player overlaps, and all I have to do is use the drop-down menu. If I overlap this kind of lava, not this kind of lava, then I'm dead. And that is a game over lose with melt effect. And then I want to do one more thing for that bridge. Overlaps. If the sprite of kind player overlaps the bridge, then I'm going to give you more text, which says the bridge collapsed. And then game over. Lose with melt effect. So if you touch the lava, you die. If you touch the bridge, you get a message and then you die. But if you touch the wrong kind of lava, the alternate kind of lava, it does nothing. I think we might be done. Let's see if we are done. Just 3 more coins to win. Okay, and my timer just restarted. That's great. And let's test the bridge first. The bridge collapsed. Game over. Oh, I love that. Okay, now let's test the regular lava and make sure that works. Just 3 more coins to win. What if I go right into the lava? I'm dead. Awesome. So now let's try to actually win and use the secret and see if it works. Okay, so if I go through right here, I am safe. Oh, except I still need the other coin. I win. Really good. Okay, so we've just added our level 2 to the red wall game. And there's no red walls in level 2. Oh, I did want to check one more thing. Do I need any walls on the edge of level 2? I wonder if it's possible for me to go off the edge. It is not possible for me to go off the edge of the tile map, so I really just don't need any walls. That works. And, okay, so let's, I think we're good here. We have stage 2 working pretty well. It's going to drive people crazy, hopefully just as much as stage 1. Let me review from the beginning what we have. There's the original tile map. There's the original player creation function, which we didn't need to change for stage 2. We created these coins, which we also didn't need to change for stage 2. We, in the stage 2 function, we pretty much did the same thing with these 3 coins. It's just that the locations were different. Great. And so when we overlap the coins, we destroy other sprite, which refers to the coin. We change the number of coins collected by 1. And now if we're up to 3, we start level 2. And now if we're up to 6, we win. The game is over. But when we started level 2, we set the tile map, the level 2 tile map. We put the player in a location on top of a random tile. That's an alternate way of doing this. You could either say place it on top of a location or place it on top of a random tile. That's fine. And if you only have one of those tiles in your map, then the fact that it's random doesn't make any difference. And then we gave people a warning, just 3 more coins to win, and we reset the timer. And then our collision conditions, overlap conditions, we just have 2 of them. If the player overlaps with lava, game over. If the player overlaps with the road, then you get a message and then game over. And then, by the way, if you go over this kind of lava, nothing happens, it's safe, that's the secret. So people are going to try this, and they're going to fail over and over. It's going to drive them crazy, but then you can show them a screenshot of yourself winning and just say something cryptic like, look at the lava, or look at the title of the game, or something. All right.